Good girl, good girl, good girl. Hey, Alexis, come help Sophia clean up. Throw away your trash.
Pick their own gift.
Who?
The brat picked their own gift. Look at that one. The brat picked her own gift.
I didn't know what this was. It's a battery, power cell, rechargeable battery backup.
I'm stealing Kim.
Hey, that's a hot rock thing!
Who's number 3? Number 3. Oh,
Number 3, hurry up!
Grandma.
Number 3.
Grandma.
Hurry up, number 3!
Grandma.
Somebody, please, the room first! Somebody, find the room first!
I want to keep it.
No hiding, no hiding.
Look over here, Alexis, smile. Smile your pretty smile. Oh, yeah. Look how the light glows. Wow. Wow, Sophia, you're a good girl, Sophia.
Nick, pick something.
Hurry up, ladies!
Nick, jump. Nick, jump.